So we get some goodies that came in today, and sweet. So I ended up buying another air saw because the one that I have isn't very good. This is rated pretty high. So Astro one, it's rated really good on Amazon, so it should be good. Now this is something that I won't use actually until a little bit later, but definitely worth trying out before then. Yeah. And second part in here is, oh, our Jacko Quick Connects. This is also rated pretty high. Let's see. And it feels tight, actually. Yeah. So, this one I will definitely use. So, we're gonna put a lot of this into our air tools and see if it leaks. So this one I'm actually able to try out. So right now we are at 90 PSI. And check this out. So this airline right here, that is fine. That seals fine. The problem is this part right here. So let's say I go with this. Yeah. And here's the close-up on the inside. This thing has like 4 ball. This one has 6. So it should seal a lot better and it holds it in place a lot better. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this off and replace it. And let's give this a try. So this is definitely one of my most used tools. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one on this one. Alright, let's try this. Ooh, you guys hear that? Hear it? Nothing. No noise. Oh my god. That is sick. Oh, we lost the cover. Where'd I put the cover, guys? Yeah, this thing is, I need a new air die grinder soon, too. I don't even know where the cover went, but listen to that. Insane. This is cool. Okay, so this right here is my primary one. But I'm actually gonna go ahead and replace everything. Although I think I could just keep this right here. This one doesn't leak. Well, sorry, it does. Let me see if this one does it too. Yeah, see? No noise, nothing. This one does. So, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this fitting also, because this is gonna be the main one that I use pretty frequently. I'm pretty impressed with this fitting. I like it a lot, actually. The quality is great. It feels pretty great. I mean, I'll wait it out for a month to see if it leaks, but these are probably by far the best fitting that I've used. So I'm actually going to go ahead and order a bunch of these fittings because I'm going to convert all my tools to this thing. This is pretty awesome. Alright, let's see here. We are going to be making a harness. And I found this old cable that I removed from the inside of the car. We are going to match it up with this clip right here. Alright, that's done, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up in electrical tape. Okay, now this thing is pretty long, so it should reach all the way to a power source. Alright, so the blue one connects to the ground. Blue to ground, so which means we need ground on the blue one. And the ground is a female connector. I forgot. Forgot how this thing came on. God. Whew. We are gonna try this harness that I made. Should work. So for the Audi seats, it just needs a power and a ground. So that's connected there. And then we just need to connect this to a power and a ground. I should probably turn off my lights. Oh, they are off. I forgot which one's ground. I think I said male is power. No problem. So we are gonna, oh no. Okay. We are gonna add a label. You know what, guys, this harness that I made could be made a lot shorter. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and trim this out in a little bit. But first we gotta try this out and see if it works out. Alright, so I have the power and the ground connected, and of course I had the power and ground connected under here. So now let's try our seat. Oh yeah. Oh, I guess it's maxed out. Perfect. Alright, so the seat is pretty much mounted and working. So that is good. What I'm going to do now is, you know, like I said, I'm going to trim the harness a little bit, and then I'll mount the driver's seat. So I'm just going to leave this seat where it's like the most neutral position. Now maybe, I'm kind of thinking out loud here, but maybe it might be a good idea to add like a mini harness, go across here, and then have it a quick connect right here or something. That way when I need to move it, you just go bloop, and then connect it there and there. Yeah, that sounds like a plan.